how to redeem a physical Amazon gift card. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card so that the money shows up in your account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you've received a gift card that looks like this, it's important to note that the numbers on the back here are not the gift card numbers we need to enter. This is actually a little envelope that holds the card. So we need to open this up and get the card out. Now that we have the gift card actually out, we need to first peel or scratch this little area on the back, and this will give us our claim code. After you get the claim code, you can just open up a browser, navigate to amazon.com/redeem, or you could just open up the Amazon app, select the search button at the top, and then type redeem, search redeem, and then at the very top, you'll see Amazon gift cards, redeem or check the balance, and all you need to do is enter your claim code there. You can also scan the QR code. Once you enter your code, go ahead and select apply to your balance, and then it will add that balance to your gift card balance on your Amazon account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.